Make room for Javi.
Well, let's see if I can keep this fire relatively low.
Honestly, sometimes you gotta just sit back and laugh. As I was editing my 6 or 7 hours of video on this particular subject, I came across that first line, "Hey, let's see if we can keep this fire low." Unbeknownst to me, it had been raining the last 3 or 4 days, and the entire wood pile was soaked. I tried and tried as much as I could. Well, enjoy my attempts at starting a fire with wet wood as I tell jokes and play a little campfire song. I believe the issue was that I couldn't get to the root of the problem. Now this next section of video is a gas, but not too popular with the wood. So here you'll notice that I decided to light the fire with a 10-foot pole. Unfortunately, none of my friends were that tall, so I had to use a bamboo stick instead. After a long day, I was pretty hungry and all I could achieve were some smoke signals, so I went and called ahead for a reservation.